In this question, we're given a shape with all of its measurements in centimetres. We're told that the area of the shape is a centimetre squared, and we need to show that a is equal to 2x squared plus 24x plus 46. Now we don't have a direct formula in order to find the area of this shape, but what we can do is to split the shape into two rectangles. So by drawing a horizontal line, we have two rectangles labelled x and y. Now we know all the measurements that we need to know except the length of this side over here, but we're given the length of this long side and this short side. And so the total length of the long side is x plus 11, and the length of the short side is equal to 4. And so this length is therefore equal to x plus 11 take away 4, because these two lengths add up to make the long length. And so we can say that the length of this side is equal to x plus 11 take away 4, which simplifies to x plus 7. Now to find the total area of the shape A, we can find the area of shape X plus the area of shape Y. We know that to find the area of a rectangle, we do the length of the rectangle multiplied by the width. And so the area of rectangle X would be 4 multiplied by x plus 1, which is equal to 4x plus 4. And we can do the same thing in order to find the area of rectangle Y. The length multiplied by the width would be 2x plus 6 multiplied by x plus 7. To find the area of Y, we do 2x plus 6 multiplied by x plus 7. And so we can expand these double brackets. We'll start by finding 2x multiplied by x, which is equal to 2x squared. Next, we want to find 2x multiplied by 7, which is equal to 14x. We then have 6 multiplied by x, which is equal to 6x. And finally, we do 6 multiplied by 7, which is equal to 42. Now we can simplify this further, because 14x plus 6x is equal to 20x. And so we've now found that the area of rectangle x is equal to 4x plus 4, and the area of rectangle y is equal to 2x squared plus 20x plus 42. We need to show that A is equal to 2x squared plus 24x plus 46, where A is the area of the total shape. And so to find the total area A of the shape, we want to find the area of x plus the area of y. And so we'd do 4x plus 4 plus 2x squared plus 20x plus 42. Now we've used 3 different colours to simplify this, because the 3 different colours represent the like terms. And so we start off with 2x squared, and so we've looked at all the blue terms. Now to look at the orange terms, we have 4x plus 20x, which is equal to 24x. And finally, looking at the yellow terms, we have 4 plus 42, which is equal to 46. And so we've found that the total area of the shape is equal to 2x squared plus 24x plus 46, which is equal to the area A that we needed to prove. But getting the same answer as the show that does not always mean that we get the full 3 marks in this question, because it depends on whether or not we've correctly shown out our working. And so let's take a look at where we get each of these 3 marks. We get the first mark for finding the area of x and the area of y. We get the second mark for a process to find the total area of the shape by adding these 2 areas together. And we get the third and final mark for correctly adding these 2 expressions together in order to find that the total area of the shape is equal to 2x squared plus 24x plus 46, which is exactly what we needed to prove. And so we've now achieved the full 3 marks needed in this question.